To get custom theme on Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter themes store right here, and then you can navigate to the themes section. Now if you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to find free themes, so select this section and then pick whichever theme you like. Of course you can get one of the paid themes if you want, but you will need to, as the name suggests, pay for them. So in this case I'm gonna go for this theme right here. We can then download it, and when it's downloaded we can apply it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.